Hey everybody, welcome to the Trucker John Show. Today is Tuesday, May 14th, 2019. I'm here in Ithaca to make my first delivery, and then we're going to head on down to Painted Post to make the second delivery. It is a cold, rainy mid-morning here in Ithaca. Probably about 45 degrees right now and drizzling. So not so nice day. One of these days we'll get to some good weather, I hope. All right guys, thanks for being here. Talk to you in a bit. Alright guys, they're going to take us right in. Straighten out here a little bit. And we got about 45 miles or so over to Painted Post after we get unloaded here. Okay, let's let the agent know that we have arrived at the first stop. Probably if I had some glasses on, it'd be a little better. I could probably see what I'm doing, you know? You know what I mean? With these glasses, I can see much better. Oh, there's the phone. So I'm going to let them know that I've arrived. And they handle a lot of trucks, so when we send text messages in, I put in my truck and trailer number so they know who I am. Well, they kind of know who I am, but just helps them if they need the numbers for some reason. And we are in Ithaca. And okay, sent that out. And there's also an app for the carrier that I can put in my info. So we'll show we arrived. It wants to know what our appointment time is. So we'll just put that in. Okay, agent's already said okay, thanks. All right, enough of that. All right, guys, we just got empty here at the first stop. They were pretty quick, about 30 minutes. Just checking my trailer tandem pins. We just slid the wheels back to where I can go down the road with them. And they've already resealed me. Just got to double check the seal number. 5855. So I'll check that on the paperwork for the second stop, make sure the numbers match. Otherwise, I'll call in. Okay, pins are good on that side. Alrighty, let's get on down to Painted Post. Okay, guys, we're rolling. Headed out of the parking lot here of a delivery. We're just on the south side of Utica. Just on the south side of Ithaca. And we got to go south, so we don't have to go through town, which is good. We should be in Painted Post somewhere around 130, 140, somewhere right in there. So we're still good on our delivery window. And we'll get that unloaded there, and then we'll head on down to BFREINIGSVILLE, pick up our load for tomorrow. And that's going out to Franklin, PA. Yeah, I was out at Franklin, PA, I want to say last Wednesday, one of the days I lost the video footage on. Yeah, I had a Western Digital regular hard drive, so that means there's moving parts in there. And I only knocked it off the work desk here in the truck, and it fell to the floor, which is a rubber floor, so it's not even like it hit that hard. But it broke. I plug it into the laptop and it would just make a funny noise, and it wouldn't work. I actually took it to Best Buy and asked them if they could get the files out of it, and they said they could send it out, and it would take maybe a couple of months, and it could run into the thousands of dollars. And I told them, no, I don't think I'll do that. So yeah, anyway, so I got myself a different external hard drive, and this is a solid state, so there's no moving parts in it. It's shock resistant and water resistant too, so 2 terabytes worth of storage, so we should be good to go. Okay guys, we got empty here at Painted Post. We got to get out and close our doors and get our wheels to slide here. It's been raining on and off again. Sun's trying to come out a little bit right now. Okay, everything's locked in on the trailer. Doors are closed. We're ready to rock and roll here. Let's head down towards BFREINIGSVILLE. Alright guys, we just got our trailer. It wasn't ready. We've been waiting about 2 hours now, I guess, for it. That handle does not want to go down there. There it goes. Had to turn it here. It's an older trailer. Looks like it's in pretty good shape. And the seal number 5881. Okay. Didn't have my glasses on, guys. I always lock everything. It's always a good policy. Lock it up. There's one. Where's the other pin at? There it is. This has got two pins right up front instead of one towards the back axle. Don't forget, we're looking for those spotted lantern flies too, guys. Keep your eye out. Yeah, I gotta run in the office and get the bills because this thing just came out of the door. Hey, let's see. We have exactly 5 hours and 4 minutes left on our 14-hour clock for the day. And it's probably gonna take us about just shy of 5 hours to get to our stop, so we're gonna try for it. Now we can still, if we have to stop, we can still take a 10-hour break and be there early still, so I'd rather do that. This way it'd be further along for tomorrow. Okay guys, we made it in here to Franklin, PA. Just doing a post trip on the trailer here. Truck and trailer, just making sure everything's okay for tomorrow. Glad you could be here today and watch the Trucker John show. Come back tomorrow and see me then. Give me a big old thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Appreciate you guys being here. Take care now.